Y'all come on in the kitchen, because guess what? It's football time. I cannot believe it's already time to start watching all this football again. Michael will probably be watching 3 different channels at one time, clicking back and forth, back and forth. So, I love to do up snacks for people to have while they're here watching TV with us, watching these ball games. So this is a great little tailgating recipe. It calls for a lot of stuff, but it's so easy. All right, I have melted 1/4 a cup of butter here in my saucepan. And to that, I'm gonna add 3 tablespoons of barbecue sauce. Now this is Deen Brothers barbecue sauce, but you can use any brand that you want. And then I've got 2 tablespoons of white corn syrup. And look how easy that came out, because Teresa sprayed the cup with a non-stick. So we're just gonna start stirring all these together. And it says to add the first 7 ingredients together, and you can find this recipe on my website. All right, so we've added the barbecue sauce, the Worcestershire sauce, the light corn syrup. I've already got it set on 250, and 1 ounce, a 1 ounce package of ranch dressing. But now I buy mine in bulk, so 3 tablespoons will equal that 1 ranch packet. So in that goes. And let's see what's next. 1 tablespoon of smoked paprika. Ooh, and I'm always so scared I'm gonna get the cayenne and the paprika mixed up and set folks on fire. Now, how many did I say? 1 tablespoon of smoked paprika. Okay. 1/4 of a teaspoon of prepared mustard. I mean ground mustard, not prepared. No. All right, now let's see. Let me get these little measuring devices. Okay. Where did I see the mustard? 1/4 of a teaspoon of ground mustard. And then 1/8 of a teaspoon of cayenne pepper. Cayenne pepper. So this is gonna have a little spice to it, y'all. All right, now 1/8 would be 1/2 of a 4th, right? Right? does anybody?
I was laughing, but I'm laughing at Max over here snoring.
Oh, okay. All right, that should be about 1/8 of a teaspoon. I don't want to make it too hot so the children can enjoy this too. All right, so we're just gonna stir that all together. And this is one of those recipes, y'all, that makes a bunch. Makes a bunch, so you'll have some to share with your friends and neighbors. There'll be so much you'll be asking them if they'll take some home with them. All right, so we're using 2 different kinds of cereal. One is, let me get this up here so I can read. 4 cups of corn and rice cereal and 4 cups of corn cereal. All right. They look much alike, don't they? One's a little bit more yellow than the other. And then we're gonna add 2 cups, 3 cups? How many pretzels?
3 cups.
3 cups. We're gonna throw that in. And then we're gonna throw in a cup of dry roasted peanuts. And if you don't like peanuts, you know, sometimes I want peanuts, sometimes I don't. But you can use any nut of your choice. All right, and then 3 cups of a bite-sized cheese cracker. And then 3 cups of baked snack crackers, which I think we all know which one that is, don't we? Don't we know, we know? All right. I'm just gonna mix this together. Looks pretty good, doesn't it? And you know, you can use any kind of cereal you want. Just because I'm telling you to use that kind, you do what you want to do. All right, I'm just gonna make sure that everything's mixed up real good. All right, so we're just gonna drizzle this over this roasting pan full of different snacks. Mix, mix, mix. We're gonna try to get it all coated. I smell that smoked paprika. You can really tell the difference, you know, whether it's smoked or not. And I'll tell you what's gonna make this so good is that package of dry dressing mix. It's gonna be so good. You know, that doesn't seem like a lot of liquid for this, does it? But hopefully it will do the trick.
Yeah, you can see it all glistening.
Yeah,
though.
yeah.
So it's been touched.
Yes. I guess you wouldn't want to put so much liquid that it makes things soggy, you know? All right, after we get this mixed up real good, I'm gonna slide it into a preheated 250-degree oven, and I'm gonna stir it. I'll actually wind up cooking this for about an hour, but I'm gonna stir it, take it out of the oven and stir it every 15 minutes. This is right fun to play in. What do you think, Eddie? Do you?
I think pumpkin seeds would have been good to put in there too.
Uh-huh. Yeah, like I said, any kind of nut that you like is a nut that should go in there. You know, as long as you keep those first 7 ingredients, you know, precise, and then use whatever kind of cereal you like. I wouldn't recommend Captain Crunch chocolate or anything like that. Or powdered sugar wheat thins. I wouldn't do that either. But,
Your boring cereals.
yes, the boring ones. Yes. That kids don't like. They put what the kids like right there at eyeball height for the children. Okay. I think it's mixed as good as I'm capable of getting it, Eddie. So in the oven this goes. Gonna bake it for an hour, taking it out and stirring it every 15 minutes. And after it gets hot, that it will coat that cereal so much easier than me just tossing it up in the air. So here we go. It's football time, y'all. And I don't watch it because I can't find the ball. Okay, well that finishes up all my easy little tailgating tips and mixes for y'all. We got a sweet and we got a savory. We got our puppy chow, which is sweet. It's dusted in powdered sugar. This is just dusted in straight sugar. And this one is all kind of stuff. I actually ended up adding some more stuff to it. I added garlic powder to it, onion powder, We add a little bit more dry ranch dressing to it.
Lowry's.
Yes, and I added some seasoning, some Lowry seasoning salt. So it's all about this. Remember, it's all about your tongue. So I hope y'all enjoy these. I hope your football watchers enjoy it. And I will see y'all very soon. Love and best dishes. Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.